Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef and broccoli in a Ninja Foodi. Okay guys, I'm starting out here with a freezer bag, a Ziploc freezer bag. And I have a half a cup of beef broth here. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce to that. You want to use low sodium because soy sauce has so much sodium in it, guys. Alright, now I'm going to get my spices in here before I add that in. To that soy sauce beef mixture, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of white cooking wine. And I'm just eyeballing this. You can also use cooking sherry if you have it, which I don't have any in here, so I'm using white wine. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now I'm using ginger paste. I got this at Aldi's. You could also use fresh ginger. Squeeze that in. Stir that up. And I'm going to add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. Let me bring this over here where you can see a little better, guys. You just want to stir that all together to get your flavors blended. Now back to this freezer bag. I have roughly about 1.5 pounds of thin sliced beef here. I got this at Aldi's also. This is terrific for tacos. If you can't find this in the store, you can just take a steak and slice it real thin. I'm going to get this down in the freezer bag. And I'm going to grab my other pack and get that down in there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and dump my liquid down over top of that. Give that one more stir. Okay, now I'm going to seal my bag up. You could also do this in a bowl if you don't have freezer bags, but this makes for easier cleanup. You just throw the bag out when you're done. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just separate my beef in here into this mixture. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this marinate in here for about 15 minutes for that beef to soak in that good soy sauce beef seasoned mixture. Alright guys, while my beef is marinating, I have roughly 4 to 4.5 cups of broccoli florets I trimmed off of a bunch. Make sure you use fresh broccoli, guys. And I put this down in a tender crisp basket. And I added a half a cup of water down in the bottom of the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. And I'm going to make sure my vent is set on vented. We want this to vent. Now I'm going to turn on my Foodi. And I'm going to push the steam setting. And I'm going to set this to steam for 4 minutes with that vent open. Now when my 4 minutes are up, I'll take the lid off, we'll take the broccoli out and set it aside. Alright guys, now that my broccoli's done steaming, I took it out and set it aside, and I dumped that water out of the pot. Now I'm going to take my marinated beef with the juice and dump it into the pressure cooker pot. Let me grab a spoon to flatten that out. Spread that around. Now I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid back on here. I'm going to make sure I'm set on seal. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 12 minutes. After my 12 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, now that my time's up and I release the pressure, I'm just stirring my beef around to loosen it up. I'm going to turn this on to saute medium-high. And I have a cornstarch slurry I'm going to add in. And we're going to thicken this up a little bit. Let me stir that. And this will come up to a gentle boil and start to thicken. And as that thickens, I'm going to add my broccoli back in. Now my broccoli, we steamed it for 4 minutes, but it's still a little too crispy for my liking, so you might want to do yours for like 6 minutes. I'm going to allow my broccoli to cook in here with the beef mixture as it thickens. Alright guys, this is thickened up, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and I made some white rice to serve this over. Now I'm going to put some hoisin sauce in this. You can use any kind of sauce that you like. But I really like this hoisin. It has a good, sweet teriyaki flavor to it. You could use soy sauce, you could use yum yum sauce, even sweet and sour sauce, whatever you like. And I'm gonna put a little bit of sesame seed on here to garnish that. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. It's really good. Broccoli has a little bit of a crisp to it, but it's not mushy. It's definitely cooked through. A little beef and rice here. Beef is tender. Rice is cooked well. Guys, that's got some really big Chinese Asian flavors going on there. That's really good. Alright, there you have it guys. Beef and broccoli and the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.